Hello everyone, my name is VISHAL GHODERAO, student of Shvajirao at Jondhale College of Pharmacy, Asangao, study in second year B Pharmacy. Today I am going to explain cholinergic blocking agent and Solanaceous Alkaloid under the guidance of Nitin Moire, professor and principal of our college. Cholinergic blocking agent. Drugs that block or inhibit the actions of acetylcholine in the parasympathetic nervous system. Cholinergic blocking agent. Mechanism of actions. First, competitive antagonist. Second, compact with acetylcholine. Third, block acetylcholine at the muscarinic receptor in the parasympathetic nervous systems. As a result, acetylcholine is unable to bind to receptor site and cause a cholinergic effect. Fourth, once these drugs bind to receptor, they inhibit nerve transmissions at this receptor. Cholinergic blocking agent. Chemical class. Natural. Atropine, belladonna, hyoscyamine, scopolamine. Synthetic and semi-synthetic. Anisotropy, dicyclomine, glycopyrrolate, hexocyclium, hemotropine, isopropamide, oxybutyrate, propantheline. Drug effect of cholinergic blocking agent. Cardiovascular. Small dose. Decrease heart rate. Large dose. Increase heart rate. CNS. Small dose. Decrease muscle rigidity and tremors. Large dose. Drowsiness. Disorientations. Hallucinations. Eyes. First, dilated pupils. Second, decreased accommodations due to the paralysis of ciliary muscles. Gastrointestinal. First, relieve smooth muscle tone of GI tract. Second, decrease intestinal and gastric secretion, decrease motility and peristalsis. Respiratory. First, decrease bronchial secretion. Second, dilated bronchial airway. Cholinergic blocking agent. Therapeutic use. Cardiovascular. Affect the heart conduction systems. Low doses slow the heart rate. High doses block inhibitory vagal effect on the SA and AV node pacemaker cell. Result, increase heart rate. CNS. Decrease muscle rigidity and muscle tremors. Parkinson's disease. Drug induce extrapyramidal reaction. Gastrointestinal. Parasympathetic nervous system control gastric secretions and smooth muscle the produce gastric motility. Block of parasympathetic nervous systems result in decreased secretion, relaxations of smooth muscle, decreased GI motility and peristalsis. Gastrointestinal agents are used to treat peptic ulcer disease, irritable bowel disease, GI hypersecretory state. Respiratory. Blocking the cholinergic stimulations of the parasympathetic nervous system allow unopposed actions of the sympathetic nervous systems. Result, decreased secretions from nose, mouth, pharynx. Release smooth muscle in bronchi and bronchioles. Decrease airway resistance, bronchodilation. Cholinergic blocking agent side effect. Cardiovascular. Increased heart rate, dysrhythmias. CNS. Excitations, restlessness, irritability, hallucination, disorientations, delirium. Eye. Dilate pupil, decrease visual accommodations, increase intraocular pressures. Gastrointestinal. Decrease salivation, decrease gastric secretion, decrease motility. Respiratory. Decrease bronchial secretions. Solancious alkaloids. First, Solancious alkaloids are the ester of the tropin. These alkaloids obtained from plants such as Atropa belladonna, hyoscyamine hinger, datura, stramonium, etc. Second, these all alkaloids are called as Solancious alkaloids as these plants belong to the family Solanaceous. Third, these alkaloids inhibit the effect of parasympathomimetic agent, example hyoscyamine, atropine, triosine, etc. First, atropine sulfate. It is a racemic mixture of hyoscyamine, obtained from root of belladonna. Mechanism of actions. First, it has both central and peripheral actions. Second, it first stimulant and then depress the CNS. Use. First, use in the treatment of gastric. Second, use in the treatment of smooth muscle spasms. Second, hyoscyamine sulfate. Mechanism of actions. First, similar to atropine. Second, more potent than atropine. Uses. First, treatment of gastric. Second, prevent motion sickness.